So this is my Cambodian take on tteokbokki rice noodles, inspired by my daughter who loves Korean food. We start by adding a tablespoon of oil to the pan and then tossing in some sliced onions and green onions to get that wonderful aroma going. After that, we add a bit of water and 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. Use less to your taste, but this was the balance for us. Then add about 1.5 tablespoons of jjajangmyeon sauce for that deep, savory base. Next, in go the noodles, and we stir them until they're nice and tender. Once they're cooked, I add the savory seasoning, adjust to your taste, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and a splash of fish sauce for extra depth. I also added a dash of chicken bouillon powder for the extra umami taste. When it's almost done and slightly thickened, I add in the sliced Southeast Asian fish cake and then top it off with a generous handful of shredded cheese to make it nice and cheesy. Finally, we finish it off with a sprinkle of green onions and a few slices of hard-boiled egg on top. And that's it. A Cambodian-inspired tteokbokki that's sweet, savory, and absolutely delicious.